Hi there, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can change your or customize your Roblox chat colors. So by the way, you won't be able to do this if you're playing a certain game, but if you're creating your own experience or your game, you could actually do this. So by default, each username's name is colored according to their player that team color, but you can change the colors of chat names using chat window message properties and on chat windows added. And the following local script in starter player scripts assigns a predetermined color to each user, picking randomly from a table of RGB colors. So this is the script for that. And you will just have to basically follow all these steps if you would want to change color if you would want to customize the color usernames and all that stuff. So just go to create.roblox.com/doc/chat and chat window, and then you will just have to proceed right here, and then you will just have to read all of this if you want it to be clearer, if you want uh ch- to make your to make your game more personalized for most people. So yeah, that's basically just it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.